Hey guys, so I want to show you this new 23-piece crochet kit for beginners. So if you are just getting started and aren't sure everything that you need, like to just get started, this kit pretty much has everything a beginner would actually need. So first you have a really nice carry storage case here, and this thing has a lot of pockets. So there's pockets here, all four sides, here, and on the outside, lots of storage space. So we have 12 really vibrant colors of yarn here. We've got 14 aluminum needles in all the sizes, 9 ergonomic needles from I think 0.5 to about 2.75, and it's got the nice rubber grips on them. I really like these over the aluminum ones. We've got some sewing needles, stitch markers. There's actually quite a few of these stitch markers in here. Point covers, so you can put these on the ends of the needles so they don't, get damaged and don't poke through things they shouldn't be poking through. Pom-pom makers. How fun is that, right? Making the little pom-pom stitches. A pair of scissors. And like I said, there's so many pockets in here. You're going to have each of those things in its own pocket. It even comes with its own tape measure, which is really great. Very few of the starter kits that I've seen actually has a tape measure. And crochet for beginners. So there's some very simple designs that you can get started with if you've never crocheted before. And everything fits right inside here. So if you're going to sewing club, you're going to a friend's house, you can put all of this right inside here, and including your little book, zip it all up, and you are ready to go. So whether you're getting started yourself, or maybe you want to give this as a gift to your daughter, to a friend who's been having an interest in learning to crochet, I think this is a really great starter kit.